These these two continents are containing 75% of the population of the world. So Africa is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, both the Suez Canal and the Red Sea along the Sinai Peninsula to the northeast, Indian Ocean to the southeast, and Atlantic Ocean to the west. You can consider all these four to these four directions what it is having. Then the continent includes Madagascar and various archipelagos. It has 54 fully reorganized sovereign states, or you can consider the countries, 9 territories, and 2 de facto independent states uh, with limited or no recognition that are called the de facto. Fine. So you can consider. Then you can consider the equator intersect and the expanse landmass covers Sahara, which is termed as world's largest desert, and the Nile river, the world's longest river. Right. So these are the two largest and longest on the earth, that is the Sahara in desert and Nile in the rivers. Apart from that, now most of the African deserts are there that you can see. So Sahara, already now you have heard this name. Then Libyan desert, Kalahari desert, and Namib desert. So at this moment, you can know some of the things related to these deserts. Right. So if you consider the Namib desert, so it's a coastal desert in the southern part of Africa. So its name had come from a name whose meaning was west place, according to the west place, and this therefore it is called as Namib desert, but it is a coastal desert. Now, which is around 2000 kilometers along the Atlantic coast of Angola, Namibia, South Africa. So these are the countries you can consider on those coastal sites. This particular desert is situating. So you can have some of the uh, things related to this particular desert. Fine. So you should know such kinds of things. Then second one is Kalahari desert. Again, if you consider this one, then it is a large semi-arid sandy desert in the southern Africa, which is covering much of the parts of Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa. So you can uh, consider another desert that is called Kalahari desert. Next one is Libyan desert. Again, it is a geographically geographical region filled the northeastern Sahara Desert, from eastern Libya to western desert of Egypt. Right. So you can have the Libyan desert. Again, don't get confused with the Libyan Sahara, right? So that is different one, and they should be different. You can consider. And the last one, that is what? The Sahara. So already you know that it is the world's largest, with an area of say 92 lakh square kilometers, and because of that it is called as the largest and hot desert in the world. And if you consider the name Sahara, which is derived from the Arabic word for desert in the feminine irregular form, right, which is called as Sahara, right? So this desert comprises much of the North Africa, the part of the North Africa, and it stretches from Red Sea in the east and Mediterranean in the north to the Atlantic Ocean in the west. So you do have these four different deserts which are part of the Africa continent. Now further you can see these pictures. So what about these? So basically this continent is divided into three regions. The first region is Northern Plateau. The next one is the Central Southern Plateau, and last one is the Eastern Highlands. Now at this moment you can understand the meaning of plateau, what you will what you do understand by the word plateau. So obviously it's a what it is, it's a high and large area of a flat land. ठीक आहे, त्याला आपण काय म्हणूया की एक स्थिर पातळीवर असलेला पठार किंवा एकदम सपाट भूभाग, right? That's what you do consider. And this includes plains, swampy coastal regions, lush tropical forest with saunas and hilly plateaus inland. Okay, you do have these many plateaus, but what about these? Right. So these plateaus includes plains, right? You do have plains, swampy coastal regions. So you can have coastal regions, right? Hilly plateaus as well, right? In which you do have a tropical forest. So you can have the tropical forest. Fine. So these are the some of the other features you do have about Africa. Then, okay, these are the things. So what do you find in that? Right. So you have a huge or the large mammals, which include zebras, right? Then you will be having gazelles, you will be having elephants, you will be having the hippopotamus, you will be having rhinoceroses, antelopes, and the carnivores such as lions, leopards, hinds, and panthers. So these are again important, right? So as far as, so you can consider what could be the forest right? Or what sort of forest this particular continent must be having, right? So this is what you do have in this continent or in the Africa. Fine. So okay. So this is what we can have about Africa. So I will stop here. Anything which you would like to ask about these, you can. North America, that we will consider in next session. Okay, if nothing is there, then I will stop here. Thank you, everyone.